Hey, how's it going, guys? Today's lesson, we're going to be looking at how to create our own preset kit in Ultrabeat with the samples given from Logic Pro X. So what we want to do is just click this button here, load up Ultrabeat, drum synth, get into that. Right now we're in the user default list, but say we're working within the human beatbox kit. And there's a sample that you don't necessarily like, and you would like to replace that with another sample that's in, let's say, the Indie Live kit. What you would do is head over to this import box, go into drum kits, look for the Indie Live kit, which is right here. Open that up. And when you hit open, you'll be displayed with all of the sounds, and by clicking on them, you'll be able to preview them. So let's say we want to replace the kick. All you got to do is click on the kick that you want to replace the other kick with and simply drag it over. And now that's part of your preset. And the same goes for any other sample. Say we want to replace this high tom with this mid tom. You can simply just click and drag that over. And you could go in and out of any presets that you want simply by clicking the import button again and just clicking other presets that are provided. And say we want this glitch percussion hidden here, we could let's replace it with this closed. And now that is in our preset. So once you have your custom preset made, just click on this again and should, on this arrow, should get rid of that list. Head over to your preset box over here. Save as. Could name it anything you want. Just do, we'll name it 1, 2, 3, 4 for now. Hit save. And now when you head over to this dialog box here, under your user presets, you should have your 1, 2, 3, 4 kit that you just made. And it's simple as that. Thanks for watching.